Okay, is my screen can be seen? Test. Okay, check. Is my sound is clear? Oh, yeah. Okay. Good morning, Professor, Mister, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for this opportunity. Uh, in this session, I will convey my research about the topics related about Internet of Things, where the title my paper is door locking system based on fingerprint and LoRa wireless technology. I am not alone. Our author consists of three. I am as corresponding author. The second and the third author is from another major faculty. Nah, for introduction, we know that several studies have attempted to replace the conventional mechanical locking system with automatic locking and unlocking system. Before in the last research, the for locking and unlocking mechanism, it is still manually, is still using a mechanic. Now the unlocking system is uh, uh, to be automatic, be implement the Internet of Things. There is in if we search the about unlocking system, there's two research focus. For first is based on electronic identification device or using RFID, or the second is we can research about based on keyless authentication, where the based on the keyless authentication we can use a keypad, numerical keypad, or using biometric authentication to unlock or give the unlock access to the door. Nah, the next intro is the famous sensor used to unlock the door was based on open source hardware. There is a finger scan sensor produced by Adafruit. The sample of fingerprint that free and the price is very cheap can be found in market. For generally, you can see in the set of this presentation. Uh, in addition to being a local sensor, the sensor also had the ability to store more than 115 fingerprint templates. So we can store uh, different finger, but the data is stored in this device, only in this device. So the research problem is the concept of using the Adafruit fingerprint sensor product was that the identification data had to be stored in the fingerprint module. So all the data of our finger that we enroll will be stored in this device. This means that a fingerprint module must be programmed directly if the admin user want to change or enroll the fingerprint. So it is the downside of using the Adafruit fingerprint products. And in my solution, the solution is to overcome the disadvantage is when the administrator want to update or enroll the fingerprint user data, because the computer needs to be connected directly to sensor device is to provide an architecture that can control the fingerprint sensor what we was using combination of LoRa protocol. So we combine the fingerprint and LoRa wireless technology. So our architecture proposal is can be seen in this presentation, where the architecture consists of the outdoor module, indoor module, where the outdoor module and indoor module is installed on the rooms that used to secure. And for the enroll system, we design can be accessed by wireless through the internet protocol. So when we want to enroll our finger, the administrator will click button to enroll from their computer, and the system will be send the data through cloud and give the command to local server that control transceiver module using a wire USB connection. And when we went to the enroll system, the transfer module will send the command to the other module to prepare for the enroll finger. Now, if we look more detail for the application, it is simple enough. We use the Java programming language that it is freeware. The button is consists of two: activate the door or enroll the finger. When we want to enroll the finger, the administrator only simple just click the enroll finger on the button, and then the user can start to touch the fingerprint sensor. If the finger is stored and want to verify, the display on the uh, external module will display the command to retouch the finger sensor with same finger for verification. If the fingerprint can be stored, uh, verification is successful, then process of enroll will be finished. This is the additional that in my proposal. It is in the module of transceiver module. We split between the transmitter and receiver module because the to separate ensure reliable of data communication. If we split between transmitter and receiver, the communication will be more fast compared with if we just use one single LoRa to communicate in two-way. It is not good for communication. Nah, the second is the outdoor module. This outdoor module is installed on outdoor of room, where the outdoor module is using the Arduino Uno for a simple edge device. And because the Arduino Uno doesn't have communication protocol, we equip with the LoRa LoRa device and the sensor fingerprint with the series of FPM 10A to access the unlock, and the display for the user can uh, look the condition is the user want to open or successfully to open or store the finger when they want to enroll. The other module offered the convenience of keyless entry. The other module was also the only one access to do the enrollment process. After we design all the device, then we do two assessment to evaluate how fast this can be enroll and how fast it can for enroll and how fast we can access to unlock. The first evaluation is to measure the total time for enroll for each finger. We do 10 trial for enroll process, and the average time to enroll is 15,6 seconds. And the second assessment, we also took a place after the enrollment process had been completed, and then the door opening trial was carried out for a time trial. And the enrollment average is around 5 seconds. The conclusion in this study, the framework of combined fingerprint with LoRa has been proposed for the door security system. The measurement performance was a time on the process of enrolling the finger and on the process of unlocking the door. The results show that the average time taken to register the process was 15.6 seconds, and the average time taken to unlock the process was 5 seconds. For the future work, we know that is still far from ideal, especially for the time spent on enrollment, and the process need to be around more than 15 seconds per average. In the future, this result will be improved with the experiment using the fingerprint reading digital persona U 4500 will be equipped to make the enrollment process can be realized not only on set on the door, but also the user is allowed to enroll his finger anywhere. Okay, it is all that I can present for this opportunity. For the plus and time, I will give back to the moderator. Thank you. Okay, Mister. Yeah, the reason why we use the LoRa technology instead of using the like Wi-Fi protocol or Bluetooth is because when we using the LoRa device, we can connect every device without pairing first. If we use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, we need to make a pairing necessary. And the LoRa, it is very cheap and easy to get in market. Uh, I think it is the reason why I use the LoRa technology. We don't need to connect to make the connection. We don't need to pairing necessary. Okay. The reason why we not use the microcontroller that equipped with Wi-Fi protocol like ASP is because in this study we need to implement this in the room environment that not equipped with Wi-Fi, and the LoRa have the advantage to send the data that more far that compared with the Wi-Fi. And although the LoRa have a disadvantage to send the data maximum of 32 bit, it is still can accommodate our research. Maybe it is my answer.